Hi friends, this is Dipanjan with Biswas here, and I welcome you to in my channel. As you know, due to this lockdown period, all the barber shops are closed, so my hair is looking little bit untidy. So I'm sorry for that. I hope it will over soon. So as you can see, my topic heading. So my today's topic is about why writing down everything is a very good habit. When you are working on something, whether you are a programmer, you are an entrepreneur, definitely it will help you a lot. If you want to be successful in your life, if you want to achieve some goal in your life, writing down habit is very important. You may find it little bit cliche that why I am talking about this, but definitely it works a lot. Individuals who write down their day-to-day activities are tends to be more successful than others. Writing down your day-to-day activities, your day-to-day goals, whatever goals you have set for that particular day, will help you to get some purpose of accomplishment. It will give you a sense of accomplishment. Means in a better way what I want to convey. It will help you to focus on your daily activities, and you will not get distracted by some other source, or I can say that external source. At this lockdown period, as all of you are working at home, definitely you are facing lots of trouble at your home, because home is not a particular place for is not a particular place for official works. There are lots of distractions. So writing down your writing down the things at your notebook will definitely help you a lot to achieve that thing on that particular day, achieve that goal on that particular day. You will be able to make a big difference in goal achievement just from writing your goals at your diary or journal. Keeping a notebook beside you where you are working, or where your workstation is, just write down the things what you want to do, or what you want to do later, so that you don't forget it. It helps you to record everything it helps you to record everything that has your attention, that needs your attention, it to be on top of everything and not get distracted. In computer we create folders, so that we don't have to save everything on our desktop. So whenever we want any file, we simply go to that folder, we access that file. Our brain is something like that. We keep plethora of information in our brain. We read lots of things every day, especially those who are entrepreneurs, those who are programmers. They have to read lots of things, lots of books, lots of courses they have to read. So by means what I'm trying to convey here is that our brain is like that computer only. We keep lots of information in our brain. Keeping down everything in the notebook, it works as a folder. So whenever we want everything, we simply go to that folder, we access that file, we access that thing what you want from that notebook. Our mind works, some means writing things down help us to clear our mind. It gives us a sense of relief. Our brain will go from utter chaos to a stage of organization. Definitely, means I tried it with myself, and definitely it works. It can help us to recognize and process information. It also gives a sense of accomplishment, as I told you before. It helps us to develop a higher level of thinking, which also gives more focused action. Definitely, whenever you are writing down everything, you will be able to more focused on your on your day to day activities. So friends, whatever you are doing, whatever you are trying to achieve in your life, just writing down, definitely it will help you a lot. It will help you to achieve your success. It will help you to achieve the goal that you want to where you want to reach. Okay, thanks for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Till then, have a nice writing. Thank you.